Ikan. This is the kitchen Kari with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I'm outside. I was just done with gardening, so I'm relaxing. But today, of course, it's another recipe vlog. And for today's recipe, it is from Indonesia. It's what we call gule kepala ikan. It's fish head dish. So check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So this is 1.3 kilogram of fish head that we just gonna not marinate really, but this is lemon juice. You can use lime juice. My fish head is kind of frozen slightly, so this is about third cup of lemon juice. Because it's frozen, that's why I'm giving it third cup. Otherwise it will be just a little bit of lemon here and there, but I'm gonna wait it until thawing a bit. That's why it's third cup of lemon juice. Leave this to stand for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is half of a large onion, 3 bird eye chilies, the red one, and for garlic 10 grape tomatoes with quarter cup of oil, vegetable oil, canola used, and quarter cup of water. We're just gonna process this into smooth paste. So put in paste, there's a lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, Indonesian bay leaves, turmeric, cayenne, sweet paprika, coriander, ginger, and galangal. So we're just gonna saute it until fragrant. Once it's bubbly and fragrant, we're gonna add in our fish head. Add in the fish. Flip to cold. Then we're gonna add in a little of water and 1 can of coconut milk. Just cook this for 3 minutes before we put in coconut milk and a little water. And we're gonna season this with bouillon powder or vegeta powder or royco powder, it's up to you. And cook this on low medium heat until the head really cooked well. Once boiling, we're gonna add in some basil leaf. In Indonesia, we would use kemangi, which is a type of basil as well. But this is regular basil, not Indonesian basil. If you have Thai basil, you can use that as well. And continue cooking until fish totally cooked through. Again, this is on low medium heat. Serve with warm rice. Delicious.